Next part of straw ball assembly is hand wheel. So for hand wheel, select any plane and then click on sketch. Now create a rectangle. Specify the width of rectangle is 30 and the distance from the axis of one side is 15. Again, the length of the rectangle is 25. Create a circle with the tracking of the axis, and the diameter of this circle is 26. Specify the distance between the center point and the axis is 112. Okay. Now take the axis from here for revolve, then exit workbench and take the command shaft, then click on OK. So for rectangular cut, select this surface and then click on sketch. On this surface, create a rectangle. The dimension of the rectangle is 25 and 25. Specify one side distance from the axis is 12.5 and then again from this side .5. So now exit workbench and apply the command pocket and select up to last, then click on OK. Now you have to take a datum plane from this plane at any distance and then OK. Select this plane and then click on sketch. Select elongated hole and create with tracking this axis the radius of this hole is 10 and the distance of this axis is also 10. Specify the distance of one side from this axis is 5. Okay, now change this one as 5. Now click on exit workbench and select pad and select you can choose at up to last, up to next and up to surface. So select this surface and click on more, then for second limit again select up to surface and select this surface. Now click on OK. For fillet, select fillet command and specify the radius as 5 mm and select this edge and also select this edge. Now click on OK. Now expand this tree and select pad and click on circular array. Now on circular pattern, specify the number of object is 4 and the angle as 90 and select this tube as a reference and then click on OK. Then again select edge fillet, then click on circular pattern, give the instance as 4 and 90 degree and click on reference again, then OK. Now click on flit and select this edge and also this edge and specify radius as 2 mm. Then OK. So now your hand wheel of stop valve assembly is completed.